Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. Today we're going to check out my June glam bag. If you are not familiar with the Ipsy Glam bag, it is a monthly beauty subscription of mostly samples, deluxe size samples, but sometimes one or two full-size items. It is $14 a month plus $1.99 shipping and handling, and it should have 5 items worth up to $70 in the bag. So let's check and see what came this month. We have our very cute bag from Ipsy for this month. It's got a cute little kind of shoestring tie for the pull, and it is yellow on the inside, and it feels like a material that would wash pretty easily as well. The Ipsy bag will also come with a card that usually, but not always, will have information on the products inside and their value. This one actually does have our prices in it, so I'm excited for that. The first item I want to show you is actually outside the bag because it was too long. This is from Chica Beauty, and we have, it looks like an eyeshadow blending brush, and not the softest brush I've ever felt, but not bad. I mean, it's all right. This would be considered a full-size item, and this is a $10 value for this brush. Our next item is from Jasmine Beauty, and this is a brow setting wax. I'm not going to open this because it's got the little seal dots on there, but it's a clear, just brow wax for setting your eyebrows as needed. And this is a deluxe sample. The full-size product of this would be 10 grams at $20, and this is a 5 gram, so this is a half size, so this would be approximately a $10 value for that little pot of brow wax, so that's really cool. I like that. Our next item is from Yensa Beauty. This is a super serum foundation, and this is a deluxe sample size. And this is in the shade Light. And the full size would be 30 milliliters at $45. This is a 10 mil, so this is a third size. So still really good value for that. Of the product that's inside, that would be $15 value. And it is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed. But that's a good size sample for a foundation. If it's a good shade, it's one I can take with me when I travel instead of taking my full-size bottles. Our next item is from Benefit, and this is a plush tint. This is a deluxe size sample. This is going to be a 2 milliliter size. A full size of this is going to be 0.2 of an ounce. So this is definitely a deluxe size sample. The full size would be $24. And it's funny because I'm pretty sure I bought this one as a $3.50 add-on to my BoxyCharm. So I must really like this color. And this is a lip product, and this is in a really pretty color. Oh, this is a whole different color. Oh, okay. The one I bought is kind of a berry color, and this is definitely kind of a blushed pink color, really pretty. Our next item in the bag is a Formula Z eyeshadow palette. This retails for $22 as the full size. This has some really pretty shades. There are 8 pans in here of varying sizes. It looks like there are 3 shimmers and the rest are matte. So this one, and this one are all shimmer colors. The rest are matte. This would be a really pretty year-round palette. I like those colors. I really like it. This was a really great bag. You do get to pick one of the items in your bag for each month, and it's been a minute, so I don't remember which one I picked, but I do like all these products in my bag. Definitely worth the $14, plus you get the super cute bag, and I really love me a cute bag, so I'm excited for that. If you also enjoyed this video and you would like to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.